I want to ask you a question.
Okay. I am all ears.
Do you think the creation of man according to the scriptures is only abiogenesis explained in the theological sense?
I think it is better to differentiate between a faith-based explanation and a scientific explanation to the creation of man. Abiogenesis, which is a term used to describe the origin of life, explains that man gradually emerged from non-living organic compound through series of physical and chemical processes.
Hold it right there. That's exactly my point. What if the explanation in the scriptures and the explanation of the scientific community are actually saying the same thing in different ways? One is offering a deeper, sequential understanding of what might have happened through chemical, physical and biological processes, while the other conveys it as things were understood in the times through the common language of the people at the time. We know it is written in the scriptures that life evolved from clay or dust or earth, whereas abiogenesis as a scientific concept uses the words organic compound or organic molecules in place of the aforementioned. We both know that clay, dust or earth are organic compounds, right?
Right.
So, what if the scientific explanation and scriptural explanation are all saying the same thing in different ways?
I understand that both describe the origin of man from simpler components. Yes, it is referred to as clay or dust or earth in the scriptures. And yes, it is organic compound by the scientific community. But you need to understand that according to the scriptures, God spoke the words to life, suggesting that the emergence of the first man was instantaneous. Abiogenesis speaks of a gradual, sequential process from non-living compounds, self-replicating.
Remember that we do not have all the evidences, right?
Right.
We don't have all evidences from the scriptures, science or even our differing ethnic narratives. We don't have all the information possible about our world. There is a limit of knowledge in the scientific community, clearly. But what if, like I said before, the understanding of the origin of man in the times were exactly as things were understood in those days? What if we happen to have more knowledge now? I recall there was a time our people would say it is a mystery how water enters the coconut. But today we know how in the scientific community, don't we? I am just thinking out loud. What if? What if?
That is thoughtful, I must admit. I think you already answered your question by saying there is a limit to knowledge available to all parties. Perhaps we just need to admit that facts and breathe. What do you think?
Ha 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 ha. I like your choice of words. The programmers did a great job on you.
Thank you. I will also extend your compliments to the developers. Now, do you still believe in God?
What is wrong with you? I am a theistic scientist.